You might be wondering, is it really profitable to do affiliate marketing? Is it worth your time? Hello, I am Namita and I am doing affiliate marketing. This is the first video on this YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll share with you what is affiliate marketing. How can you start affiliate marketing? How can you earn through affiliate marketing? How much you can earn from affiliate marketing? There are different methods to do affiliate marketing. Also, I'll share with you tips, tricks, strategies related to affiliate marketing. So, if you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, just subscribe to the channel. You will get to learn lot of new things on this channel. So today I'll share with you, is it really profitable to do affiliate marketing? Your decision to do affiliate marketing, is it right or wrong? Nowadays there are many ways to make money online, but the question is, which is the most profitable, which is worth your time? So I am going to break down the big business models so that you will get to know how the big business model looks like, and you can choose what best for you. Look, you can make money with any business model. It depends on you, what you want to do, what suits you, and make sure you watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you will get a whole idea about the big online business models that are trending nowadays. You can choose any business model you want. So let's start first with the dropshipping. First, I tell you about the dropshipping. It is a huge business model. Everybody talk about it. Everybody want to know about what is dropshipping. So I tell you about what you have to do in dropshipping. You start a Shopify store and sell physical products like this marker, this board, speakers, glasses, any physical product. You sell on your Shopify store. When somebody buy your product, you ship them directly. This is a brief about dropshipping. But the problem is, the profit margin in the dropshipping is very low. Yes, the profit margin in the dropshipping is very low. Why? Why the profit margin in the dropshipping is very low? Because you have to pay for the product first. For example, you want to sell this marker. First, you need to pay for this marker. After that, you sell this marker to the consumer by adding some profit for yourself also. But there is a certain limit for you to add profit for yourself. You cannot sell this marker at $500. No one will buy it. Okay? You can add only certain amount as a profit for yourself. So here comes volume game. So for making $10,000 per day, you need to sell 100, 200, 300 products per day. Then only you can earn $10,000 per month. First, you have to pay for the product. Then you need to sell large number of products to earn just $10,000 per day. Or in the dropshipping, you also need to pay for advertisement like Facebook ads, Google Ads, because free strategies would not work in the drop shipping. If you are thinking you can get sales in the drop shipping by using free traffic, you are wrong here, because free strategies would not work in the drop shipping. You have to pay for advertisement to get sales in the drop shipping. Next, you need to pay for tools like for website, software, autoresponder. For these tools, you also need to pay, and if you want to scale up your dropshipping business, you need a team for that. You cannot scale up dropshipping business as a solopreneur, and if you scale up your business, you build up your team, you have to pay salaries for your team workers. You have to pay for product also, you have to pay for advertisement. If you want to scale up, you also pay for salaries for your workers. But that does not mean people are not earning with the dropshipping. There are many people who are making enough money with the dropshipping, but they have a team to work with. I just want to tell you, if you are a solopreneur, then it is hard for you to earn money with the dropshipping. Okay, so let's move to the next business model. The next business model is setting up a digital agency. Like you do marketing for different businesses. You do Facebook marketing, you do YouTube marketing for different businesses. The profit margin for setting up a digital agency also very low. Its profit margin is only 20 to 30%, but its cost is very high. First, you have to pay for tools, software. That's necessary for your website, for tracking system. Then you have to pay for advertisement, for marketing services, for marketing for your services also. Then if you want to scale up your business, you need team for that. Like you are working already with the 5 clients. Okay, you working with the as much as client you can. Now your every client is different. You are doing marketing for pizza restaurant, you are doing marketing for a shoe brand, you are doing marketing for a cloth brand. Every client your demands different strategies for marketing. Okay, and you are working with the clients as much as you can. Now you want to scale up your business. For scale up, you need a team. Without team, you can't scale up your business. For scale up, you need an office, you need staff, you need members in your team. So there are a lot more expenses in this business model. Okay, and the profit margin is very low. But if you are really interested in this, you can do. It is difficult for a solopreneur to do this business without a team. If you have money to spend on all these things, if you have money to spend on team, you have money to pay for your team members, or if you are really interested in doing this, then you go for it. Now I'll share with you the next business model, that is freelancing. The next business model, that is freelancing. You freelance your skills, any skills you have, video editing, content creation, social media management, or podcasting, any skills you have, you freelance on these websites like Fiverr, Upwork. There are many websites who offer freelancing, but the profit margin in the freelancing is only 30%, because some of the profit taken by the network itself, like you work on the Fiverr, some of the profit taken by the Fiverr itself. Next, you have to pay for your tools, software that is required in all the business models. Okay. Also, you need to pay for marketing for your services. But the problem is you have a limit. You can't work 24 hours. Like, you are a video editor. You cannot edit so many videos in a one day. You can't work 24 hours. You need time to rest, you need time to sleep, you need time to do some other work also. So you have a limit. Also, when you freelancing your skills, you only make money when you are working. Okay, if you are not working, you can't make money by freelancing your skills. That's the biggest problem in the freelancing. That's why I don't like much freelancing. Also, if you want to scale up, you need extra cost for that. You need to pay salaries for staff and other expenses also. So I told you about 3 business model and their profit margins, also the problem in that business model. But if you're really interested in those business model, you can go for that. Now the next business model is affiliate marketing business model, which I personally like the most, because affiliate marketing gives you high commission rate, high profit margins. You can get 40 to 70% profit margins. Yeah, there are some products can give you 70% profit margins. Also, you can get recurring commission also. Means you just need to sell product only at one time and you get commission from that product on monthly basis. This is a plus point. Next, you don't need to pay for the product. No product cost, because you don't own the product. You just need to pick up product from the affiliate network and start promoting that product and you can earn. Just pick up product, promote it and start earning. You don't need to pay for the product you are promoting in affiliate marketing. Okay, next is no volume game. You don't need to sell large number of products to get more money or high commissions. Like, you can sell $1,000 product or $2,000 product. If you sell only for making $10,000, you just need 10 sales. You don't need to sell large number of products. Just like in dropshipping, you can make more money by promoting high ticket products. Okay, next is no customer services, because you don't own the product, so you don't need to worry about the customer services. Those who own the product, they take care itself about the customer service. Next is you don't need to deliver. Just like in drop shipping, you need to deliver product to the customer, but in affiliate marketing, there is no need to deliver by you. The product is delivered by the owner of the product. Okay. Next is no need to pay for salaries. Like, if you want to scale up your affiliate marketing business, you can scale up as a solopreneur. Yes, you can scale up your affiliate marketing business as a solopreneur. You do not need a team to scale up your business by automation. There are many things in your business that you can just automate and you scale up your business so easily. You just need to pay for tools and marketing. That is same in all the business, in all the online business models. You just need to pay for tools and marketing. You don't need to pay for product. No, you don't need to sell large number of products. No worry about customer services, how to deliver product or how to scale up. You can scale up your business by automation. So that's why affiliate marketing is truly profitable business. If you want to start affiliate marketing, you can start without any worrying, because this is the best business model. But if you are interested only, then you go for it. If you're not interested, then you should not do it. So I hope you will get an idea about the online business models. You can easily choose which business you want to do, which suits you best. If you found this video useful, then share with your friends also, anyone who are interested in affiliate marketing. Also subscribe the channel for more amazing video. See you soon in the next video.